What's up, everybody? This is Bill with BP Automotive, and today we're going to go over our computer harness tester and how this ensures you get a perfect harness when you get a harness from us. With that said, let's get into it. We test many of our products, from coil sub-harnesses all the way to full standalone harnesses through this computer tester. We do this to ensure that human error doesn't make it out the door to you. Because we're all human, our more complex harnesses will come with a printout that show the results from the test. This printout only prints out when the harness passes the test. Our standalone harnesses and some other select harnesses will come with a unique serial number when they pass a test. This computer tester gives it that unique serial number. On our standalone harnesses, this serial number will be by the fuse block. So I built 4 adapters to mimic faults that human error or material defects can cause in a harness. You'll see that this computer tester catches all of them. These adapters will create a swapped wire condition, so if somebody accidentally mispinned a connector. It will also mimic a missing wire, so if there was a bad crimp or a broken wire in the harness, it'll catch that as well. And then it will also mimic 2 wires that are shorted together. And we've used a resistor to do this so that you can see that it doesn't even have to be a dead short for it to catch it. And then we've also put a resistor in line to create high resistance. So any resistance from end to end that's over 5 ohms will cause a failing test. So that's how stringent this is. It's got to be less than 5 ohms from end to end on any circuit for it to pass the test. With that said, let's get to the demonstration. So we're going to throw in this missing circuit adapter. This has the sensor signal circuit missing from the connection. So you'll see within seconds that the computer harness tester recognizes that this circuit is missing, and it even shows where the locations of this wire are to be at end to end. So the next adapter that we're going to use is the crossed wire adapter. This will simulate somebody accidentally mispinning a connector on the assembly line. So the computer tester is going to show us which ones are crossed. It's A and B that are crossed at the cam position sensor connector with this adapter. So as you can see, it shows the cavity at the PCM and the cavity at the connector that are mispinned. So the next adapter that we're going to use will show high resistance on the cam position sensor signal circuit. The standard for this is 5 ohms, so if it has a resistance of more than 5 ohms, it will fail the test. We've put a 5 ohm resistor to show how stringent the test is. So as you can see, it shows 5.7 ohms total in the circuit for the cam position sensor signal cavity A. So the next adapter we're going to add in will be the adapter with a short built in between cavities A and C at the cam position sensor connector. This is the signal and the 12-volt reference. Now our computer tester will not tell us that it's shorted between A and C, because technically it's actually shorted between 4 connection points, so it's going to show net connections instead of single connections. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more tech, tips, tricks, and behind the scenes videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss a single video. With that said, we'll see you in the next one.